Danielle McCartan here with Ahmad Bradshaw, Super Bowl winning Giant, two-time Super Bowl winning Giant. He's here today to support Brad Wing in a charity softball game. What does it mean to come out? I know you're a retired Giant, but to support a current Giant in a fundraiser like this?
You know what? This community gave me so much when I was here, and you know, just to give back to these guys. You know, I had so much fun here in New York, New Jersey, and you know, the fans, they helped that, and you know, my pleasure to come here and be able to be a part of this.
You ever play softball before?
You know, never. I've hit baseballs and, you know, messed around with it, but never played a game.
So if we could talk a little bit about the Super Bowl, go back to the Super Bowl, the 6-yard run.
Right.
In Super Bowl 46 against the Patriots, 57 seconds to go. Did you know the call was coming to you on that play?
You know what, I didn't. You know, Eli handed me the ball and he said, "Don't score." And as he was giving me the ball, and you know, it kind of clicked when I was at the 1-yard line. But you know, as a running back, you're never told not to score. So you know, I wasn't really paying attention to the situation at the time. You know, you're just in a moment, and you know, it happened. You know, all I can do is just hope they didn't score after that.
Yeah, is that the one touchdown you wish you could have back?
No, I can't say that.
So Super Bowl 42, you defeated the previously unbeaten Patriots, handing them the one Giant loss. What are the motivations behind that, reaction to that, emotion surrounding that game?
You know, we were that type of team. We all stuck together. We were all in. You know, and that was just our motto. And we were as close as any team I could ever say has ever been. You know, all the guys that I talk to now, we all talk about how close we were, and you know how close knit. You know, we all hung together outside of football, and you know, and that's how you just come together nowadays. Is to you know, hang out outside of football, and you know, you have each other's back when you touch that field.
So which guys do you still see from those teams?
You know what? I see a lot of guys. Mario Manningham, Akeem Nixon. I see Victor here and there. You know, I see a lot of guys at different events. You know, Plexico, of course, in the first Super Bowl. Brandon Jacobs is you know, that's just my big brother.
Yeah, I was going to say, you guys are quite the 1-2 punch over there.
Right. You know, Derek Ward in that situation.
Yeah.
You know, I see a lot of different guys. Danny Ware. You know, we all hang together when we can, and you know, like I say, we're a huge family, and you know, that was the best part about it.
Yeah, we won't go into anything cult related because it was Giant stuff. But
of course,
you look like you're ready to go back into the NFL. Is that the plan?
That's the plan.
Okay.
You know, that's every year, as long as I'm walking.
Very good.
So, thank you.
Good luck. Appreciate it.
I appreciate that.